Glow up in 1 month. Mindset, beauty, education, self-care. Welcome to my channel. Like, share, subscribe. Let's begin. If you don't feel great about yourself, you're not alone. Approximately 4 out of every 5 women struggle with low self-esteem. Thankfully, it's never too late for you to make positive changes. It's possible to glow up in a short amount of time. In fact, I'm going to show you how to glow up in a month in this 30-day challenge. A glow up is essentially a full mind and body transformation. I pulled the exact definition from Urban Dictionary and here's how they define it. A glow up is a mental, physical, and an emotional transformation for the better. Glow ups can be both natural or planned, as well as being gradual and permanent, or fast and temporary. Glowing up doesn't mean changing who you are. Instead, it's about becoming a better version of yourself. Plenty of women don't feel like they have time for self-care. The right organizational system will help you find the time you need. You can use a daily planner, create a bullet journal, or use a digital organization app. Dehydration can make dark circles more prominent, and it can leave your skin looking dull. Start off the month by using a tracking tool to keep track of the water you're drinking. If you want to look beautiful on the outside, you've got to take care of what's inside. Go through your kitchen and get rid of unhealthy processed foods. Keep tasty and healthy food options with low calories. In addition to improving your diet, you can ensure that your body is getting all the nutrients you need by taking vitamins. If you do take vitamins, take them alongside food so that they're easier for your body to absorb. Make sure your body is getting the rest that it needs. Build a bedtime routine so that it's easy for you to get 7 to 8 hours sleep. If you want to glow up in a month, you need your beauty sleep. So even if you have a busy schedule, make sure you get enough sleep by getting at least 7 hours of sleep each night. Sleeping on your side or stomach can damage your hair, cause breakouts, especially for acne-prone skin, and it can also cause fine lines to form on your face. While you can solve this by sleeping on your back, you could also try switching to a silk or satin pillowcase. Create a simple skincare routine with skincare products that you can maintain on a daily basis. In the morning, you should cleanse and moisturize your skin before applying SPF sunscreen. In the evening, just cleanse, wear a face mask some nights and moisturize. It won't be long before you get that instant glow. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells so that the healthy new cells beneath them are visible. Use a dry brush to exfoliate and remove dry skin from your body and gentle exfoliators like a face scrub or a chemical exfoliate to exfoliate the delicate skin on your face. It's normal for women to have a little peach fuzz on their face. Dermaplaning can remove that fuzz and leave your skin looking much smoother. Exfoliation can improve your skin, and it can also make your lips feel softer and look juicier. You can use a lip scrub or even a toothbrush to slough away the dead skin on your lips. Apply a lip balm afterward to lock in moisture. It's normal for hair to become damaged over time, but you can repair a lot of that damage with a deep conditioner hair mask. Air conditioners are good, but a hair mask is even better. Apply the mask to your hair after you shampoo your hair and leave it on for the specified period of time before washing it off. You don't need to make any dramatic changes to your hair, like a new hairstyle, in order to glow up, but you should schedule a trim to get rid of split ends. Of course, if you're not happy with your hair, a brand new haircut could give you a new surge of confidence. Have you ever wished you could instantly look 5 pounds thinner? You can with good posture. Try to imagine that an invisible string is pulling you upwards. If your nails are in bad shape, now's the time to clean up your cuticles. Set aside 5 minutes to soak your nails in warm water. Afterward, you should cut and file your nails. You may also want to apply a coat of clear protective nail polish. You don't need to invest in a brand new wardrobe if you want to improve the way you dress. Create a Pinterest board filled with outfits you love. From there, you should shop your own wardrobe and create cute new outfits from the clothes you already have. We're at the halfway mark. Give yourself a pat on the back for making it this far. By now, you should already seen some improvements in the way you look and feel. Have you noticed yet? We're now at the final leg of your 30-day glow up challenge. Aren't you excited? Alright, let's continue to follow my guide on how to glow up in a month. You got this. Scrolling social media feeds, like Instagram, can oftentimes be detrimental to your self-confidence when it's already low. You need to give yourself a social media detox and really work on building your self-confidence through this 30-day challenge. When you have an aura of confidence, it'll change the way other people see you. Start saying positive affirmations to yourself in the mirror each morning to change your mood into a more positive one. Make a point of learning new things every day. Working to develop your mind will improve your conversation skills. You'll always have something interesting to say to the people that you meet. Stress can take a toll on your health, and it can impact the way you look as well. Meditation is an effective way to take control of your emotions and calm down when you're overwhelmed by stress. You can watch a YouTube video on meditation or download meditation apps, so you can easily meditate in your car or at the office. It's easy to fall into a comfortable, complacent routine. Now that you've started taking steps to improve yourself, you should set some short and long-term goals. Make sure there's always something you're working towards. It's easy to fall into a comfortable, complacent routine. Now that you've started taking steps to improve yourself, you should set some short and long-term goals. Curling your eyelashes will instantly enhance your eyes and make you look more awake. For better results, you may want to try warming up your eyelash curler before you use it. Full brows are in style, but taking some time to clean up your brows and pluck stray hairs will leave your brows looking better than ever. You may also want to try combing your brows into place and using an eyebrow pencil to make them look more defined. It's hard to look polished when your clothes are wrinkled. If you don't love ironing, you can quickly get rid of wrinkles with a portable steamer. The right accessories can be the difference between a so-so outfit and a showstopper look. Invest in a few basic, versatile accessories that you can use to take your go-to outfits up a notch. Pilling and lint can make otherwise cute outfits look sloppy. Go over your old clothes with a lint roller and fabric shaver so that they'll look like new again. Use at-home treatment or visit your dentist to whiten your teeth. You can also try DIY treatment using natural ingredients at home. Coconut oil for royal pulling, brushing your teeth with baking soda, and rinsing your mouth with apple cider vinegar. Even if you don't like to wear a lot of makeup, you can make your eyes look bigger and more refreshed by adding a dot of a luminizing shade to the inner corner of your eye. Make sure your skin glow from top to bottom by using a rich body lotion. Lock in the moisture with a body oil or oils you already have in your house like olive oil or coconut oil. Even better if you give yourself oil massages to get that soft and glowing skin. Moisturizing your skin can leave it looking plumper, and it can even minimize the appearance of cellulite. Have you ever wished you could transform your skin overnight? With a sheet mask, you can. Use a sheet mask at the end of the month so that your skin will glow for the next few days. Now that you've made it to the end of the month, you should treat yourself to something special that will make you feel great. Whether you buy a new outfit, go for a facial, get a massage, or get your nails done, you should give yourself a gift to celebrate this new and improved version of yourself. I hope you enjoyed this guide on how to glow up in a month. Will you be taking on this 30-day glow up challenge? Share your thoughts by commenting below. That's for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe Magic Peach.